The question is related to length. The question says the figure is made of two rectangles, one bigger than the other. So you see you have got a figure over here, then you have got two rectangles over there. The next line says for the smaller rectangle ABCD, the length DC is thrice the width AD. So you can see over here that there is a rectangle A, B, C and D. ABCD is a rectangle whose length is DC or AB and width is represented by AD or BC. It is said that for this smaller rectangle ABCD, the length DC is thrice the width AD. Thrice means 3 times AD. So you should know that twice you multiply by 2 and for thrice you multiply by 3. These things you should know very well. So next it is said that DC is equal to 3 times AD, and you can see from this figure that DC is given as 12 centimeters. So DC is 12 centimeter, which is equal to 3 into A. The next line reads for the bigger rectangle BEFG. So this is the bigger rectangle. This is the bigger rectangle BEFG. The length FE. The length FE. This is the length FE, or this GB is also the length, which is equal to FE, is more than the width GF. So you can see that this GF is the width. So this FE or GB is more than the width by 3 centimeters. That means the length GB, let me write over here, GB is equal to GF plus 3 centimeters. So first of all, for such type of question, you have to numerically represent the statements. So from this particular statement, you can find out that if AD multiplied by 3 is equal to 12, if AD multiplied by 3 is equal to 12, we can say that AD is equal to 12 divided by 3. So AD is equal to 4 centimeters. You can see that 12 divided by 3 is 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So if this AD is 4 centimeter, then obviously BC, this BC which is also equal to AD is equal to 4 centimeter. So we have find this BC 4 centimeter. Our target is to find out the length of GC, that is this particular length. So next we will find out the length GB. It is given that GF is equal to 14 centimeter. So we are given this GF as 14 centimeter and GB is more than GF by 3 centimeters. So GB equal to 14 by 14 plus 3, GB equal to 14 plus 3, that is 17 centimeters. How come? Because this GB, this particular length is more than GF by 3 centimeters. So GB is equal to your 17 centimeters, that is 14 plus 3. So let me rub some of the portion over here to make the things clearer. So till now what we have found is that this GB is equal to 17 centimeter and AD, which is also equal to BC, is 4 centimeter. So this is your 4 centimeter, this is 17 centimeters. So how much this will be equal to? I hope you have figured that out. This will be equal to, this whole total is 17 and this smaller portion is 4. So this is equal to 17 minus 4. Let me write over here. BC equal to GB minus BC. So GB is equal to 17 centimeter and BC is equal to 4 centimeter. So 17 minus 4 is 13 centimeter. So 17 minus 4 is 13 centimeter. So the answer to the question is B, that is 13 centimeter. Here it is asked what is the length of GC in centimeter, which is 13 centimeters. So for such type of questions you have to read the question very carefully and convert each of the statement into mathematical equations like this, which will help you to solve the question. You have to visualize the problem first, then you will be able to solve the question. And please remember that twice means multiply by 2, thrice means multiply by 3, is more by 3 centimeters means plus 3, less than 3 centimeters, less by 3 centimeter means minus 3, and so on. So these nomenclatures should also be understood by you very well. For such type of question you have to be very fast. So keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you.